Okay, once you've made a copy of your digital portfolio and added your name to the title, now you can start to customize and edit the slides. So the text boxes, you can click in, you can make them bigger, move them around, make sure that this is actually in a good spot because it has a nice dark solid background. You can select all of the text and then just start typing. And for this slide, please do put your full first name and last name and your homeroom teacher. So yeah, it might be Conrad, Gonzalez, Schlosser, Sears, Terry, Cassan, Savage, Falzarano. Who did I miss? I think I got everybody. So please put the name of your homeroom classroom teacher, not your art teacher, right? So your name and then your teacher. There are instructions right here on the slide, right? So that's how to click and edit text. You can also highlight the text and change the color of the text. You do want to be careful that it's still readable, but you could do something like that as well. You can also highlight or just click and select the whole box and change the font. There are lots of fonts. Be careful for really curly ones. In typography, which is the art of text, we talk a lot about legibility, making sure it's readable. So make sure that your fonts that you choose are nice and readable. You can click through the slides. There are instructions right here on the slides for how to use them. So you'll edit and update your name and get rid of any directions there. Once you are done reading the instructions, you can right click on that slide and choose skip slide. So that way when you're presenting, it doesn't show up. There is a page for About Me. So this doesn't have to be the same as your About Me project, but just some a little bit about you, a picture of you to just customize it and personalize it. Like this says, you can photograph your work with any device. I've shown you how to take pictures with your Chromebook. If you need help with other ways to get your pictures and your artwork in there, let me know. And then here are slides. There's even some that I've taken, did some examples, and I will show you that coming up of how to put a picture directly in from your Chromebook. It is so easy. Okay, so you have slides here. You can add additional slides. You can click this arrow and see all of the different kinds of slides you want to add, and then click one of them to add it. You can right click to duplicate it if you like a slide. You can grab them and move them around so you can change the order of them. Okay, so you are welcome to use any of the slides in here. You can also change a little bit. Let's see, you can delete a slide. Maybe you accidentally did one too many. Right click on the actual slide itself and click delete, and that will get rid of it. Be careful if you delete things with your artwork in it, that artwork will be gone. So you definitely want to be careful when you are cleaning up your portfolio. And really make it your own. There is text here, and so we'll get some guidance as we start to submit projects about putting a little note about which project it was, when it was made, maybe a little narrative or note about your process, so we can use the text boxes for those. And you can always insert additional text boxes here through insert text box, and then you can click and type where you want. And I would want to change that font, right, to something a little easier to see. You can either change the font, or sometimes what I will do is highlight the font in a nice bright color so that it just stands off of that text. Okay, there's other text formatting tools up here that you can play around with, making bulleted or numbered lists. You can justify it left or center or right. So this will also give you guys a chance to get good at Google Slides. In the next video, I will show you how to start inserting media into your Google Slides portfolio.